Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on the DBS Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.dbs.com.hk and hit enter. After the home page of the DBS Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, in this red box you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the DBS iBanking option. After you click on the DBS iBanking option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, just below the register button, you'll see two options: forgot username or password. Go ahead and click on the password button. Once you click on the password button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in all these credentials and then click on the reset password option. Once you click on the reset password option, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to reset your password on the DBS Bank. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the DBS Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.